300 m, 50 m, 50.05 m. 300 times 50 over 50.05 equal 300 times 0.999. CD 299.70 m. Next, 400 m, 0.0000116 per degree Celsius slash 35 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius equal 15 degrees Celsius. 400 times 1 plus 0.0000116 times 15. 400 times 1 plus 0.000174. 400 times 1.000174. CD 400.07 m. Next, 150 m, 8 degree. 150 times cos 8 degree cosine 8 equal 0.9903. 150 times 0.9903. 148.55 meters. Next, 250 meters, 12 degree. 250 times cosine 12. Cosine 12 equals 0.9781 equal 250 times 0.9781 equal 244.53 m. Next, 100 meter, 60, 100 over 60, PF, 1.67 meters per step. Next, 600 m, 30 m, 30.02 m. 600 times 30 over 30.02. 600 times 0.99933 equal 599.60 m. Step 2. 599.60 meters, 0.0000116 per degree Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius equal 5. 599.60 times 1 plus 0.0000116 times 5. 599.60 times 1 plus 0.00058. 599.60 times 1.00058 equal 599.63 meters. 200 meters, 10 degree, cosine 10, 0.9848. 200 times 0.9848, 196.96 meters. 1. Step 2, 120, 1.7 meter per step, 120 times 1.7, 204 meters. Next. Part 1, Identification. Determining angular and linear. Surveying. Where the earth is considered flat surface. Plane surveying. Wide extent. Geodetic surveying. Locating property lines, boundaries, cadastral surveys. Monument, physical features, city surveys. Provide data regarding grades, construction surveys. Related to forest management, forestry surveys. Used for map shorelines, hydrographic surveys. Used for shipbuilding, industrial surveys. Determining extent size measurement. True or false? Geodetic surveying, false. Cadastral surveying, false. Topographic surveys, false. Probates, true. Vernier, true. Indirect measurement, false. Compass, true. Roman goma, false. Photogrammetric, true. Merchet, true. Matching type. Route survey, used for highways. Mine survey, underground excavation. Cadastral survey, land ownership. Relief survey, terrain. Hydrographic survey, map shorelines.